What happens when a brand new SUV crashes head-on into its own 30-year-old ancestor? Not into a wall. Not into a barrier. Into each other. This is the 1996 Chevrolet Blazer versus the 2026 Chevrolet Blazer in a direct driver's side crash. And what happens next shows just how far vehicle safety has come. The moment they collide, the difference is impossible to ignore. The 1996 Blazer's driver's door is pushed deep into the cabin. The side structure collapses. The survival space around the driver shrinks dramatically. Now look at the 2026 Blazer. The front and side structures absorb much more of the impact. The safety cage stays remarkably intact. The side curtain and side airbags deploy almost instantly, helping protect the driver from the force of the crash. But here's the detail that really stands out. The windshield. It doesn't shatter. It stays bonded to the frame, helping the vehicle maintain its structural strength and allowing the airbags to work as intended. That's not an accident. Modern SUVs are engineered to sacrifice the vehicle, not the people inside it. High-strength steel, advanced crumple zones, and smarter airbag systems all work together to manage crash energy before it reaches the occupants. The goal isn't to prevent damage to the SUV. The goal is to protect the people inside. And that's exactly what you see here. The 1996 Blazer takes the impact. The 2026 Blazer manages the impact. 30 years of engineering makes a huge difference. So here's my question. If your older SUV still runs perfectly, would you keep driving it? Or is modern crash protection alone enough to convince you it's time for an upgrade? Let me know in the comments.